Setting up and using a Payoneer account involves several steps. Sign up. Visit the Payoneer website and click on Sign Up to create an account. Fill in your personal details, including name, email, date of birth, and address. Verify your identity. Provide identification documents as requested by Payoneer to verify your identity. This typically includes uploading a copy of your government-issued ID or passport and proof of address. Receive approval. Once your identity is verified, Payoneer will approve your account. You'll receive an email confirmation with further instructions. Link bank account and receive payments. Log into your Payoneer account and link your bank account details. This allows you to receive payments from platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or others directly into your Payoneer account. Activate card. If you've ordered a Payoneer MasterCard, activate it once received. This card can be used for ATM withdrawals and purchases where MasterCard is accepted. Transfer funds. Use Payoneer to transfer funds to your linked bank account or to other Payoneer users for free or at low fees, depending on the transaction type and currency. Currency conversion. Payoneer allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies. You can convert funds between currencies at competitive rates using their platform. Customer support. Payoneer provides customer support via email, chat, and phone to assist with any account-related queries or issues.